Alright guys, so in this new exciting episode we are going to tile. So I need to do this splashback here, and it's going to go all the way till here. So I'm going to finish in line with this worktop. I believe I'm just going to do this side the full length, and yeah, I'm going to use these subway tiles or metro tiles, whatever you want to call it. They are going to be is a marble effect. It's trying to copy the Carrara marble. I think they are looking quite nice for what they are. It's a ceramic tile, and yeah, this is our splashback at the moment, and we are ready to tile. So without any further ado, let's just crack on. So alright guys, now more than half is done. I will still need to do this side right here. Yeah, I cannot tell too much of the gray veins on the actual tiles. I don't know if it's going to be caught on camera. You have to be quite careful when you look at it. but yeah, doesn't look that bad, but I was expecting a little bit of more grayish inside these tiles. So at this point I'm just going to go forward with this bit. I'm going to have a lot of fun around these sockets. I will still have, I believe I will still need to install 2 units here. So I don't know what exactly is happening because they are still changing their mind, and I don't know where exactly the tiles are going to go. So meanwhile I'm just going to do the bottom side. It's around 450 height, and yeah, just going to do that. So let's continue. All right, so I believe I'm done for now, because I should finish this side, but not before the cupboards are going to be here. I don't know if the cupboards are going to be coming with a end of panel or a filling panel like this one, and I don't know really how big are going to be. If I'm going to have an end of panel, then it's going to take more space. So I will not know 100%, so I'm not going to be sure 100% where should I stop with my tiles. Should it be right around here, right about there? I don't know. So I'm just going to leave it for now, and I'm going to start to clean all this mess around here, because it's a lot of mess. Yeah, I changed even the bulbs, the actual fittings, the lights. Now we have more light here. So yeah, at this point I'm just going to start to clean up this place. So let's do that quickly. Okay, so now definitely looks a little bit better. Now I even took out the spacers from this side and that side, because these are hard enough right now and ready to route. I still left those because they are still fresh. I also cleaned the floor and everything, even a little bit outside, because it was a very big mess. And anyway, now we are going to start to grout, but not exactly in this moment for me, because it's quite late and I'm just going to go, and it's weekend about this time that I'm doing all this. So I believe I'm going to go and leave it for Monday. Let's see, it's 7:30 at the moment, and I'm just going to leave it for Monday. Of course, for you it's just going to be just 1 second, but yeah, for me it's going to be 1 day of rest. Okay, so see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm back. I believe I had a nice weekend and I already started to prepare a little bit the tiles. I have taken all the spacers out. I've done it on that wall the other time, the last week, and now we are ready to grout. I already prepared a little bit of grout here and it's nice and pasty, and now we just need to apply it to that wall over there all along. I have some water also there prepared, and I believe right now I am ready to start. And now it seems that it's dried, so I'm just going to use a cloth and take the dust out from the tiles and yeah, clean it up, make it look a little bit nicer, because at the moment has the grouting dust on it, and it's it has a matte finish, but once that we are going to clean it up pretty well, is going to look a little bit better. So I'm just going to do that. And now I believe they are looking a little bit better, but I will still need to work on this side, even at the bottom. I'm waiting for my units to come. As soon as I'm going to have those in, I'm going to install the other tiles that are going to go around them and onto the extractor fan. The hood, and yeah, now they're looking a little bit better. All these pipes are going to be boxed in, and I'm going to show you that as soon as I'm going to finish, but at the moment they are nice and shiny, even the trim, and yeah. So yeah, at this point I'm just going to wait for those cupboards to come, the wall units. I'm going to fit them, tile it, and I'm just going to show you how it's going to be the end product. So just see you in a bit.